kaya everybody played well naman, ano? Everybody played well. Everybody was in the right mindset. But in the course of the game, um, we saw some complacent lapses, which resulted to some mistakes like uh, giving up. What do you call that? Those
Open
ibang tawag doon?
threes.
No, what do you call those kinds of fouls?
That's the threes too.
Or, or you put your foot under the thing, mga ganun, mga last second, like Kevin's four shots at the end of the quarter, those things, that we try to avoid. And I think we should play smarter than that one. And then when we do turn the ball over, it's a sign of you get sloppy. It's a sign of you get complacent just because the score is big. And they caught up. That's good. We were able to recover. So, but generally, yeah, they came in with the right framework of mindset.
Thank you, Coach Jong. Brandon, it's a new conference high for you right after a game where you dislocated your jaw. It seems like nothing happened. With the continuous improvement in your game, how would you say you've grown and developed under the tutelage of Coach Jong and his system?
So with coming in this conference, getting because I came in last with like maybe 5 or 4 games left, and when I came into this conference, I'm thankful that Coach Jong and the coaching staff gave me the trust and confidence to go out there and use my abilities to contribute to the team. As you can see, Coach has been really on us since the start of preseason to really, don't take every game for granted. Whoever we're playing, no matter their standings, no matter their record, we just go out there and play our system and try to be our best and try to accomplish our goal, which is to execute and win every game to the best of our abilities.
Thank you, Brandon. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Brandon, congratulations.
Thank you.
First of all, how was your draw after that game? How was your recovery?
Yeah, it's been still painful. When it happened, the situation was I got hit, and then when I got up, I didn't notice that I couldn't close my jaw. So as soon as I tried to close my mouth, that's when it kind of I felt it kind of out of place. And ever since then, I'm thankful for Doug Ton and the PT staff. They were able to realign it in the dugout. And then I was able to go to the hospital, and luckily with the CT scans and everything and the X-ray, it came out negative for any fractures. And then after that was just, kind of had to rest. Coach and the coaching staff allowed me to rest for a couple of days just to get the swelling down. And, I think this is my first day that I've been able to chew. And since then, I've just been biting on, now I can bite on metal to get it better.
You lost mga 10 pounds.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Brandon. I'm on him all the time in practice, in the game, and he deserves to be player of the game today. He played very well.
Thank you, Coach.
Coach, how was his transition from, as you mentioned, from last conference to this early part of the eliminations?
Yeah, he's doing very well. Siyempre, from MPBL, ngayon, bago lang, bago lang talaga naman siya, essentially. So he's a fast learner, and because he wants to learn, he's always coachable, he always asks questions. Of course, there will always be mistakes, and that's normal. Pero ang importante kay Brandon is he's sinusubukan niya lahat at saka gusto niya matuto. Always wants to do things right, so he asks questions.
Coach, kamusta si Berto? Kasi diba nagkaroon siya ng parang magalong sa...
Okay naman siya. Pero meron pa rin black and blue as of hanggang ngayon. Meron pa rin black and blue. Nagulat nga talaga ako na ganun ka pala kalala yung injury niya nung tinamaan siya ng Blackwater.
Yeah.
I think it's Blackwater. Laki talaga. Ngayon meron pa pero konti na lang compared to before.
But what did you decide na parang yung minutes niya hindi masyado same as...
No, same lang naman. Ang pakiramdam lang naman niya yun eh. Kung sa tingin niyang hindi niya kakayanin, sasabihin naman niya sa akin yun. Pero kung sa tingin niyang kakayanin niya yun.
Brandon, wala bang advice there to at least you were out of peace.
Oh no, I wasn't. I got mine. I got my mouthpiece.
Thank you.
Coach, your next game, you think is Converge or?
Converge sa May 23, tapos back-to-back kami ng Meralco May 25. So we have approximately 7-8 days, approximately. So we'll take this time to get better.
Coach, medyo 8 games Converge, siyempre dalawang game na nila, and then Meralco, defending champions.
Yes, mabigat yung actually lahat man ng kalaban namin mabibigat talaga eh. Now buti medyo nakapuhunan, pero yung back-to-back games talagang it's a test. It's going to be a test, back-to-back games versus Converge playing very well. Two big men, size, dominating talaga si Balti tsaka si Rania. Tapos pag din naman Meralco, very cohesive unit kasi nag-championship na. So yeah, we it's going to be a test for us the next two games.
Coach, I believe in terms of rebounding, parang lagi kayong lamang sa kalaban niyo. Despite your team being relatively small than the other teams, how do you like that effort and how will that be important as syempre yung next game will be against the...
Maliit kami pero malaki puso. So, kasi rebounding I think is other than it is technique, di ba? Yung gusto mo mag-rebound eh. It's more effort, more rather than the technique side. It is just the double effort, extra effort to try to get the ball. And it has nothing to do with me. Sila yun. Sila yung naggagawa ng effort para maka-rebound.
How about yung puso, how will that be important against the big...
Very important kasi maliliit kami. So we have to try to find some type of advantage. Because size-wise, wala kami makita advantage talaga eh. Size in length. So we don't see any advantage. So we have to find a way where we can negate that disadvantage we have in size against the other teams.
Coach, speaking of size, wala sa General
Kanina, may sakit yung he was sick the past 2 days eh. He was sick the past 2 days, so minomonitor siya ng doktor namin.
Flu?
Sabi niya na he vomited or something. Ano sabi? Kaya uso kasi ngayon yun eh. So, yeah, he's just under the weather.
So, pero makakalaro siya?
Yes, makakalaro naman siya. That's good. We have this time para makarecover siya.
Yeah, alam natin you were teammate with Balti sa Pampanga. How do you see your matchup? Possible matchup?
Just excited. I've been playing with Balti, for the last PBL season, and we've been a pretty good tandem together, especially in our playoff run. And now we get to compete at the highest stage here in the PBA. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm pretty sure he's looking forward to it as well. And I get to also play against my former teammates with Balti, Ronan, and MJ. So it'll be a good test for us, like Coach said, and like I said, we'll have to really battle it out on the rebounding platform, especially with Balti and Rana, with the two big men in the front court. So we're gonna, recoup and get ready for that.
Hindi ba ito
No.
Thank you. Coach, kayo ang kinuha si Brandon, di ba?
Pampanga.